how to quickly and easily open zip files on Windows 10. Zip files are a convenient way to compress and bundle multiple files into one, and extracting them is a breeze. Let's get started. First, locate the zip file you want to open. This could be on your desktop, in your downloads folder, or anywhere else on your computer. Now, once you've found it, simply right-click on the zip file. This will open a context menu with several options. Select Extract All. This will open the extraction widget. In the extraction widget, you'll see a field for the description, destination where the extracted files will be saved. By default, it will be the same location as the zip file, but you can change it if you want. Just click Browse to choose a different location. After selecting a desired location, click on Extract. Now the files will be extracted and saved in the folder you selected. And that's it. You've successfully opened a zip file on Windows 10. If you need to open another zip file, just repeat the steps.